Good morning. You ready to go home? Hi everybody. So it's day 3, final day in Astoria, Oregon. Today we head home. We are going to take the longer route home so we could go to the beach. I promised Shorty we would go to the beach for her birthday, so it's about darn time we do that. I'm not sure which beach we're going to go to. Maybe Seaside or Cannon Beach or both, because we have all day. Right now we're just packing things up and getting ready to take a load down to the van, and then we'll be on the road. We gotta grab some coffee. I slept like garbage again and I'm exhausted, so I need to get maybe a double shot. Van's all packed up and now we're heading to get coffee. Most important part of the day. I hope we see some elk. We're making a stop at Fort Stevens to go to the Battery Russell. It's an old military base. I'm just gonna wander around, check things out for a little while. Our friends from Beyond 1031 are gonna be in Cannon Beach around noon with the Mama Fratelli Jeep ORV. And so hopefully we'll meet up with them. We're slowly gonna make our way along the coast to Cannon Beach. So first stop is Fort Stevens, and then I think the next stop will be in Seaside because I'd like to visit my grandparents' grave. Since we're in the area, we're gonna go to the beach access that has the shipwreck from the Peter Iredale. Very, very curious to see how much of it is still exposed. It's been a long time since we've been here. quick stop at the Seaside Visitor Center for a fun pic for Shorty's Instagram. We're driving down the highway and we just passed the Oregon Marketplace, so Pete turned around and I went in. They have all sorts of Marionberry and hazelnut stuff. I got us the Marionberry craft soda. I'm excited to try it. So hold on a second so I can open the can. All right, how does it taste? Cheers.
In half a mile, turn left onto Main Street Road.
I almost need to go back and get more. Oh my God, this is delicious. Oh, heck yes, Marionberry soda. That's delightful. Made it to the cemetery. Now I'm gonna go visit with my grandparents for a little bit. Gotta say hello every chance I get when we're in town. I always stop here and thank my grandmother for teaching me how to crochet and sew, and all my craftiness I owe her. So thank you, Grandma Lois. I miss her so much. We made it to Cannon Beach, so we're gonna walk out to Haystack Rock, which was in the movie The Goonies.
Sometimes it sounds like it, but you're not. You can't go over.
Oh, I'm deep.
It's okay, really.
He's brightly colored. Is that why it's got your attention? No, guess not. Come on.
Making friends everywhere we go.
Pero con la pelota. No. Mira.
Definitely bigger than the one she has out.
That's adorable. We're on our way to Ecola State Park. Fingers crossed there's parking, because it's busy here in Cannon Beach today.
Take a slight right onto Ecola State.
We're here, and this is another Goonies filming location. Back there, where those picnic tables are, they had a fake facade build for the movie. That was the Fratelli's hideout. So it's called the Lighthouse Lounge. Oh, it's back there.
Where are you going to get the selfie?
Hey. That's Shorty's high five.
Oh,
We met up with Troy and Angie in Phoenix. And we're going for a little walk. And Pete. And Shorty. Gang's all here. Yay!
They're already tired of me.
What's left of it? Aw. Yeah. So sad. GoPro doesn't do it justice because I can't zoom in, but we were just down there. There's Haystack Rock. It's so fun watching Troy get so excited about where we're at. I'm loving it. Going for an adventure.
Don't pay attention. Trail.
Ooh. Shorty wants to eat grass.
Not wearing my trail shoes today though.
This is pretty.
Where is this taking us? You're gonna be waiting for us to explore first.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Troy wants to drive the Jeep out on the beach, so we're gonna go to a beach that allows car accesses, and that's Sunset Beach, which is just outside of Gearhart. Look, there they are. Woot woot. He did it! Woo! Made it.
I've gotten stuck, not in and, but I've gotten stuck before, and I told myself I was never going to do anything that could even slightly get me stuck, because to get stuck sucks.
We would help you. A little behind the scenes action. Troy's gonna get some shots of the Jeep going down the beach. That was all sorts of fun. Oh my gosh. We are going to start heading towards the way of home. We got a 2-hour drive back to Portland. We're going to stop somewhere along the way for lunch because we're all hungry. I don't know where that's going to be. Well, you'll know when I know. We're getting Taco Bell. It's quick, easy, sort of cheap-ish. Since we're stuck in traffic, I thought I would just end the video here. We're about 20 minutes from home. Once we get home, we're gonna be so focused on unpacking the car and cleaning it because we have to return it tomorrow. This is a rental. We rented a minivan for the weekend because we took our scooters to Astoria. Hopefully you saw the video previously when we scootered from our hotel to the Oregon Film Museum, Goonies jail. That was so much fun. I had a great weekend. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna let you guys go. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for coming to Astoria with us. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to check out my Instagram and TikTok and Shorty's Instagram. Okay, bye everybody. Bye for now. Have a great day.